My first week, I wanted to go home. I guess that was just the homesickness. Since then, I've really come accustomed to what we do here. Made some new friends. Meeting Beth and Aaron for the first time is my favorite memory. Just coming in, being like, who are these people? And then just seeing how like the friendship is built and like the trust is built. Before I came out to ETA, I was bouncing from job to job, just kind of sleeping on couches and being a delinquent. I've never done anything like scuba diving before. Just seeing the underwater is like a whole nother world. And the canyoneering was really cool because we got to do the 170-foot rappel, and I was kind of scared of heights, and I kind of got over that. The day I realized I needed to make a change and come out to ETA was probably the day that my friend Brandon died. That really hit me hard. I knew I didn't want to be the next gravestone. What I would tell somebody that's considering to come to ETA was definitely do it. It's a life-changing experience, and it's really put my butt into shape. I've become more of the person that I want to be and not the person that people expect me to be. It feels really good coming out here and they're just being like, be yourself. So I kind of ate that up, and here I am. My hopes after leaving ETA would probably be to stay out west, since I've grown to love it out here so much. My name is Joe. I'm from Mamaroneck, New York, and I love being in the outdoors.